Another way that we can go against malaria permanently and typhoid in your body is of two things again. The first thing is to drink water, as I've explained in my first video, that I should take water, 16 sachet, that is 8 liters of water every day. Be taking it. It will be flushing out this. Mix aloe vera juice and garlic juice and add honey to it. You mix it together. I will say it again. Mix aloe vera juice and garlic juice and also honey. When you have done this, adults should take 4 spoonful in the morning and also in the evening. While children will only take only 1 in the morning and also the 1 spoon in the morning and also in the night. Just do it. You have destroyed malaria and typhoid parasite in the life of your children and even your own life and your life of your friend. See you in my next video for the third method of destroying malaria without visiting the doctor. Thank you.